What's up, YouTube? What's up, TDS family? It's your boy Truedarkseed. Hey, coming at you with another Angelina Jordan reaction. This time we doing Fire in the Rain. Now I think there's an actual video for this one, so I'm gonna check for that first and see if there's an actual video. No, I don't think there's a video for this one. If there is a video for it, somebody drop me the link and so I can see the actual video. But yeah, Angelina Jordan, Fire and Rain. You see, I'm already ready because I got my ears on. That's 2. This will be number 3. We gonna keep it going? I'm pretty sure we will. But now you know I'm ready. But now, are you ready? Let's go.
If I go far from home, I still know I'm not alone. You're wherever I'll be, 'cause I carry you with me. If the sky gets too dark, I just love when I know star. Finding you is easy, 'cause I carry you with me. Ain't no mountain high that I'm not gonna climb. No river is too wide, valley too low. The places that I go, fire and rain.
Oof. Ooh, them drums. Them drums, you know I like drums. Run it back.
'Cause I carry.
And I love the message right now. No, we don't have to be together. You don't even have to be here. 'Cause wherever I am, you're with me. So you're always with me. I always know where you are. Danny. Oh, I'm still live. C'est la vie. So I'm doing a live reaction. I'm still recording it, but you know, it's all good. I'm gonna record it and then upload it. So you only there's only a video for I'm the Food. It's all good. Hang out, Danny. Hang out, Danny. I'm still going to do it live because that's what we do. So it is what it is. Hold on. Nope. I thought I stopped the live, but I do not care. It is what it is. So like I was saying, though, I love that message for the people, for loved ones that are passed, that or loved ones you don't get to see all the time, that, you know, they're never far away, because as long as you keep them in your heart, they're always with you. I like that. So we're gonna run it back to the beginning. Steve, what's good? Oh, you seen them already? I didn't see you comment. I must have missed it. I commented to everything, so I might have commented to you already. We're gonna start it over.
If I go far from home, I still know I'm not alone. You're wherever I'll be, 'cause I carry you with me. If the sky gets too dark, I just love when I know star. Finding you is easy, 'cause I carry you with me.
Nice.
Ain't no mountain high that I'm not gonna climb. No river is too wide, valley too low. The places that I go, fire and rain. Keep throwing on my way. I know how much I can take. I get stronger from the pain. Fire and rain. Try to break me, I'll be okay. I risk it all.
Try to break me, but I'll be okay. Let's go.
Can take. get stronger from the pain. Fire and rain. Try to break me, I'll be okay. I risk it all, I know I'm brave. Getting stronger every day.
I risk it all, I know I'm brave. Man, this girl's pen is stupid.
Try to break me, I'll be okay. I risk it all, I know I'm brave. Getting stronger every day. 'Cause I'm never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain. 'Cause I'm never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain.
I'm never going down. I'm never going to hit the ground. Fire. Talk to him, AJ. Talk to him. They can't hear you. Make them hear you. Thanks, Steve. Appreciate you, bro. Oh, my God. That's... These lyrics, dude.
Never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain. Well, I grow maybe with you by my side. I know I'm alright. Sweet dreams I'm making through the dark and cold. Ain't no mountain high that I'm not gonna climb. No river is too wide, valley too low. The places that I go, fire and rain, keep throwing on my way. I know how much I can take. I get stronger from the pain. Fire and rain.
Woo! Let's go.
Try to break me, I'll be okay. I risk it all, I know I'm brave. Getting stronger every day.
What's up, Kabatsu?
Never gonna ever hit the ground.
Fire and rain.
'Cause I'm never going down.
Never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain.
If I go far from home, I still know I'm not alone. You're wherever I'll be, 'cause I carry you with me.
Three for three. The girl is 3 for 3. Oh my God. I'm never going down. I'm never gonna hit the ground. Fire and rain. Ugh. Ugh. Man, that girl pen is...
Alter, das war dumm.
This girl's pen is stupid. Stupid. All right, that's 3 radio hits right there in a row. 3 radio ready songs. All it. Y'all already know. I know, right? The great melodies, great hooks that just stick with you. Dude, if you did not know, you would think that this girl was from down south, as much soul she has. You would think she grew up being a old school R&B singer. Like she went to church, not church, church. She went to church down south. We say church. Whew. All right, so that's 3 fire ones in a row. If I have to rank the 3, I'm gonna go because I said I would rank them as I listen to them. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go Diamond. Then I'm gonna go. Do I go Fire and Rain or do I go? Oh, that's so hard. Diamond. Oh, Diamond, Fire, Rain, and Good and Goodbyes. I think that's my order for right now. But don't quote me on it because tomorrow it might change. I think that's where that's where I'm gonna sit right now. Oh, that's where I'm gonna sit right now. Oh, too fire, too fire. All right, all right. Now with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and actually end the live, end the recording. Then I'm gonna go get myself something to eat. Then I got to come back and do one more reaction. Probably a Pete and Bass, because tomorrow I'm doing I'm recording Catch the Bars with our man Spliff, aka Rob, aka Wicker with Liquor and Woes. So I think I'm gonna come back and do a Pete and Bass. But this young lady is abso-freaking-looply phenomenal, and every song I've listened to so far, all three of them just absolutely mind-blowing. It's like that perfect blend, like I said, perfect blend of old school jazzy, loungy singer mixed with modern day R&B, little sprinkle of pop in there, little hip hop, just oh yeah, the Hindu Sesh is the one I'm getting ready to do for a Pete and Bass. That's the one I'm getting ready to do. Oh, all right, guys. For those who actually hopped in the live stream because your boy forgot he was still streaming, thank you very much. I'm going to have to cut this out of the stream because it still says Destiny 2 stream. So, but anyway, thank you for coming. It's your boy Truedarkseed. I'm going to get up out of here. I got more Angelina coming. Trust. Now, remember, I'm not going to be doing anything this week because I'll be moving my mom this coming weekend. So I have to buckle down and get the rest of the stuff I need to get done in the house done. All right. So I'm going to get a couple more out today and tomorrow. And next week is going to be a dry week, but I'll be back the following Monday. All right. I'm up out of here. Deuces.